Welcome to Permutable. In this quick walkthrough, we'll cover the essential steps to get started, from generating your API key and exploring datasets to accessing documentation and configuring your account. Let's begin. Generating an API key. Start by selecting API keys from the left-hand menu. Click Create Key to open the key creation form. Enter a memorable name for your key and, if needed, add a description to help identify its purpose. Once complete, click Create Key to generate your API credentials. Exploring datasets. Next, open the Datasets section. You'll find two views: Latest, which highlights recently published data, and Registry, the complete searchable catalog of datasets. Within Latest, each tile represents a data product. Select a product to explore its available instruments. Each instrument card displays key information, including update dates, coverage ranges, download options, and links to supporting resources. Use search and filters to quickly narrow results by instrument, region, or sector. As you navigate, the breadcrumb trail makes it easy to move between levels or click All to return to the product overview. Click a download button for any associated datasets, raw or index level. The file opens in a new tab. The icon buttons give you direct access to the methodology, how the data is constructed, onboarding guide, integration steps, and tutorial notebooks on GitHub. The detail panel at the bottom gives you a deeper look at the source datasets that the above data is derived from. If there are multiple datasets associated with an asset, you can switch between them by using the drop-down selector. The Summary tab shows the dataset name, version, description, category, granularity, coverage dates, and current publication status. The Statistics tab provides distribution metrics and descriptive stats across the dataset's numeric columns, useful for a quick quality check before integrating the data. Coverage shows what this dataset spans: sources, tickers, countries, languages, and more, so you can quickly verify it covers what you need before integrating. The Schema tab lists every field in the dataset: column name, data type, and description, so you know exactly what you're working with before writing a single line of code. Switching to the Registry view gives you access to the full dataset catalog, searchable and filterable, with version history and schema details for every dataset. Narrow results by product type, granularity, data coverage dates, and publication status. The status indicates the stage of the dataset's lifecycle. Hover on the status to see what it means. Each row is a dataset with a particular version. You can view the full version history for a particular data product within this table. Click any row to open its detail panel. Each partition represents a separate entity covered by the dataset, asset, country. Use the tree or search bar on the left to filter partitions, then click one to see a preview of its data on the right. When you're ready, hit Download to get the CSV. The Properties tab shows dataset metadata, key statistics, and coverage details that can include sources, tickers, countries, languages, etc. The Schema tab lists every field in the dataset: name, type, and description, valid values, examples, etc. So you know exactly what you're working with. Click the Documentation button to access reference materials for this dataset. Methodology explains how the data is sourced and calculated. Onboarding walks you through integrating the data into your systems. Tutorial links to example notebooks on GitHub to help you get started quickly. API documentation. To learn how to integrate with Permutable, select API Docs from the navigation menu. The documentation covers authentication, rate limits, available endpoints, and API reference materials to support your development workflow. Account settings. To review your account settings, click your email address in the lower left corner, then select Settings. Here, you'll find 5 sections. Account information contains your primary account details. Subscription allows you to review your current plan. Roles determine which datasets and platform capabilities you can access. Usage limits shows your current usage thresholds, including the maximum number of API keys allowed on your account. And account activity provides information about your account history and creation date. With your API key generated, datasets explored, documentation available, and account configured, you're ready to start working with Permutable. Thank you for watching and welcome to the platform.